Good morning. This is Coach Zassis with a video helping you with simplifying rational expressions. This is not a complete comprehensive video detailing every single possibility, but just some quick little reminders for you. So for our first example, we have 5x divided by 2x. So remember, whenever you are simplifying rational expressions, you need to look to see if there's any common factors between your numbers and if there are any common variables in the numerator and the denominator. So in example 1, we have a common variable of x. So we have exactly 1x in both the numerator and the denominator. So they can divide out to 1. So that just leaves us with 5 over 2. Now in example 2, we have 6y to the third power divided by 3y. 6 can be divided by 3, and that will leave us with 2. And we have a single y that is in common between our numerator and the denominator. So in this case, we'll be left with y squared on the numerator, and there aren't any y's left in the denominator. And since we divided 6 by 3, we don't have anything in our numerator other than 1. So we really don't need to write it down. So our final expression would be 2y squared. Now, whenever you get numerators and denominators with multiple terms in them, which means they're separated by plus or minus signs, unless they're in parentheses, kind of really don't worry about them unless you can simplify the numerator and the denominator separately first. For example, on number 3, we have y plus 3, all divided by y plus 1. These are not exactly the same. Yes, you might see that we have a y in both the numerator and the denominator. But because we have that plus sign in both the numerator and the denominator, that tells us that the y and the 3 are together. The only time that you can divide, or in this case cancel, our y's is if they are separately being multiplied by 1 and 3. Now in this one, it does have a plus sign, so we have 4x and then in parentheses x plus 2. Then we have in the denominator, we have 7 all times x plus 2. Now, because we have an x plus 2 in the numerator and the denominator, they can be divided to 1 or canceled out. And that would just leave us with 4x over 7, since there's nothing else that we can simplify. Now, in our last example, we're going to take everything that we learned. So first of all, we have 2x plus 4, all divided by 3x plus 6. Now, because we have that plus sign in both the numerator and the denominator, we can't really divide the two binomials together right now, but we can simplify our numerator separately and our denominator separately. So we can divide both 2x and 4 by 2, so that will leave us with 2 times x plus 2. And we also can divide the denominator by 3. So we have 3x divided by 3, that will leave us with x. And then 6 divided by 3 leaves us with 2 as well. So in this expression, we can divide out the x plus 2 in both the numerator and the denominator, and that leaves us with 2 over 3. Again, this is not a complete comprehensive video, just a few quick little reminders. Have a great day.